This is gonna be a book haul video. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nanda Kalkar and hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Guys, I've already read two of these books. The first book of this haul was Dark Matter. I am done reading this book. If you want to read my review, you can go on my Goodreads and on my Instagram as well. But this book is a sci-fi book. On the back cover of the book, the story is that there's a man named Jason. He's living a normal life. He is a professor in university. He has a wife. He has a son. He's literally living a normal life until he's abducted and he enters this new world. The life that he's living, it's not his life. Like, he is not the person he was few hours back. He is not a normal professor anymore. He is not married yet. He doesn't have a son, and it's like totally changed. And this guy, he's so confused, like, what is happening? How did my life change? And when he gets to know what actually happened, it is really, really amazing. So yeah, you can definitely go and read this book. And if you want to try some sci-fi books, this was my first one. And you can read my review if you want to know if I really liked it or not. The second book that I purchased was A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. This book is so hyped up. Oh my god! Like, on every book talk video I go, I see this book over there because this book is so hyped and everyone loves this book. So this book is about a girl named Peppa. She is gonna graduate her high school soon. She's in her final year and she gets this project to investigate a closed case. So she chooses this one case from her own town about Andy Bell and Sal Singh. So Andy Bell was murdered by Sal Singh. That's what everyone said. She tries to actually know what happened. There are so many hidden things that no one knows about, and she is literally uncovering everything. Next book that I purchased is Gone Girl. This is one of the classics, to be honest. People really enjoy this book. So this book is about a couple. On the fifth anniversary, the wife disappears, and when the police comes to investigate everything, they come to know that something was wrong in their relationship. And the girl's best friend, the wife's best friend, told the police that they were not in a happy relationship. And then the police tries to uncover everything. It's a mystery book. I'm really excited to read this book. It's really hyped up. It's really most recommended on the book talk because I am lately loving murder mysteries and murder related books. So I love books which have a lot of plot twists, and the entire book you're just like, oh my god, I did not expect this. The next book that I purchased is The Most Hype Happy Place. This book is so much hype. This book is about a group of friends who just this is what I've heard from other book talk videos. So I'm just going to give you that story, what I got from them. So this book is about a group of friends. They used to go to this one beach house every summer when they were teenagers, and now everyone's grown up. Everyone is in their 30s, and it's on sale right now. And they've come back just to relive that moment once and for all. Because of course this house is gonna get sold, and they're not going to get time to come back again in this house. So they come back together. So this really explains how friendships change over time, and it's so true. Like, whenever I think about friendship, friendship is something which keeps on changing. Like, you're not, of course, some people are there who won't change, but mostly people change. With time, you like different things. You start, feeling different about each other, and that's totally fine. But I am not. I don't really accept that thing very quickly, and I am just like, okay, why did this happen? What did I do wrong that this thing happened? I am that kind of a person. So I think maybe this book will give me a clarity about how friendships change, because these people are way more older than me. I'm just expecting this book to be like a lesson for me, like something that I can take back and I can learn and I can apply in my life. So yeah, love the theory of this book. Let's see how it turns out to be. The next book is my favorite. Guys, I cannot exaggerate more about how much I love this book and how much I want to read this book. This book is Before We Were Strangers, and this is a soulmate book. That's what I've heard of, and I am personally a sucker for good romance book. Like, if I get good romance book, I'm gonna read it like in 2 days or in one day. So this is that book, and I have been waiting to read this book from so long, but I just stopped myself because I know if I start reading this book, I'll be finishing all of the books, and you guys won't be getting any book haul. It will be directly a book review video. So I was like, no, let's just first make a video, then only I'll start reading any other books. So two of those books, and now I'm going to start reading this one once I'm done making this video, because I am so excited to read this book. This book is something which I have a lot of expectations from. Maybe this gives me a heartwarming story. The story is about two friends. They were friends, but due to some reason they parted away, and now they have to come. Like now they are in the same town, so they didn't meet each other, and now they are spending time with each other, and they are like falling in love again, maybe something like that. So it's something like that, It's a love story. That's what I know, and it's a soulmate love story. So I personally love soulmate love stories because I believe in soulmates. I really feel that there are soulmates. Books like these really make me feel more confident about it when I read them. So hopefully, this book gives me a lot of context about love, and I'm really expecting this book to be really really good. So let's just hope this goes according to my plan, and I love this book. Okay, I don't know. You know that feeling when you love a book so much that you have so much high expectations from this book that you don't want to read that book just because your expectations won't match it. Like just in case if those expectations don't match. That's what I'm feeling right now. I love this book. I want to read this book, but I am really scared to read this book because of what if it doesn't match my expectations. Let's just read and try this book. The next book that I purchased is Who Moved My Cheese. This book is the only self-help book in my entire haul because I was like enough of romance novels and murder mystery and thriller and sci-fi. Let's just do something helpful for ourselves as well. So I bought this Who Moved the Cheese, and I think I really need this kind of books. It is like an amazing way to deal with change in your work and in your life. So that is something which I want to change. I want to be very adaptable to change. I don't want to crib about changing anything in my life, and that is what this book will hopefully teach me. And I'll be giving you reviews about all these books in my next video. Most probably I'll see when I can make a review video about all these books. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me, and yeah, see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.